What's up guys, and welcome to the 29th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about structures. So we have now moved on to the struct data type. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so we can say struct the date curly braces, and now we can say something like short int day, month and year. So we can close that off. It's already closed off. Actually, we can close that off again, and now go to the next line and say int main, next line curly braces. Now we can say date dt, close that off. We can say dt, the day is the 28th, close that off, and we can say dt dot month, which is January, so it's 1, dt the year, which is 2016, so we can just say 2016, close that off, and then we can just start printing all this out. So std cout dt dot the day dt dot the month. And now we can also put in another slash, take this to the next line, and say dt dot the year. Okay, close that off. Save that. And now we can execute that. But before we execute that, let's just explain the program. So we have a program that shows the struct data type. And where it says struct date right at the top, this is showing you how to declare a date struct. Where it says date dt, instantiate a date variable. Where it says dt.day, month, year, assign the values to its members. And where it says dt.day, month, year, when it gets printed out, you just display the struct date variable. So let's execute this, and hopefully we should just get today's date printed out. Build succeeded. So today's date is the 28th of January 2016. Let's just put a space in that so we're less confused. Okay. Build succeeded. 28th of January 2016. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.